Welcome to our Chanel. Like, subscribe, and share. This content offers valuable insights into the financial habits of self-made millionaires, based on advice from Faron Daugs, a certified financial planner and CEO at Harrison Wallace Financial Group. Daugs highlights that his wealthiest clients, those with an average net worth of $6 to $8 million aged 40 to 55, did not come from wealthy backgrounds or inherit large sums. Instead, they started with very little and gradually built their fortunes by adhering to a disciplined set of habits. These habits, according to Daugs, are accessible to anyone willing to adopt them. 1. Avoiding debt. One of the foundational habits of Daugs' clients is avoiding debt as much as possible, particularly consumer debt such as credit cards or car loans. Reducing debt allows individuals to avoid high interest rates, which can eat into their ability to save and invest. Aside from mortgage debt, his clients prioritize paying off any outstanding balances each month, ensuring they don't carry high-interest credit card debt. 2. Buying and keeping cars. Long-term self-made millionaires typically buy, rather than lease, their cars and plan to keep them for a long time. Cars depreciate rapidly, so holding onto a vehicle after it's paid off allows them to save the money that would have gone toward monthly payments. If they finance a car, they aim to pay off the loan as quickly as possible. 3. Building emergency funds. Having an emergency fund is another cornerstone of financial stability for self-made millionaires. Daugs' clients typically save 6 to 9 months of their monthly expenses for emergencies, such as medical bills or unexpected car repairs. This helps them avoid going into debt when the unexpected happens. 4. Investing regularly. Once they've established an emergency fund, Daugs' clients make consistent investments in stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Automated transfers from checking accounts to investment accounts ensure they save without thinking about it. By investing a portion of their income regularly, they build long-term wealth without having to touch their savings for significant expenses like vacations or car purchases. 5. Maximizing employer benefits. Taking full advantage of employer benefits is another habit Daugs' clients employ. These benefits often include retirement plans, health savings accounts, HSAs, and other financial perks that can help save money and boost investments. Self-made millionaires don't overlook these opportunities. 6. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. Daugs' clients resist the temptation to keep up with the Joneses, that is, to spend money on the latest gadgets, luxury items, or other expensive, unnecessary purchases. Instead, they focus on their personal financial goals, saving money that might otherwise be wasted on fleeting trends and upgrades. 7. Utilizing tax deductions. Minimizing taxes is another strategy Daugs' clients use to build wealth. They take advantage of tax deductions related to retirement contributions, home mortgage interest, charitable donations, and health savings accounts. Consulting a financial advisor or tax professional is often helpful in navigating these opportunities. 8. Diversifying income streams. Many of Daugs' wealthiest clients have multiple streams of income, such as owning rental properties that provide passive income. While not everyone has the ability to invest in real estate, there are other ways to generate additional income, such as renting out part of your home or car when it's not in use. 9. Saving for children's education. Early planning for children's college education is another priority for self-made millionaires. Daugs' clients often use 529 college savings plans, which allow for tax-free withdrawals for education expenses. Starting early enables them to take advantage of compound interest, reducing the financial burden of paying for college later. 10. Seeking professional advice. Lastly, self-made millionaires seek advice and educate themselves about their finances. Daugs emphasizes that it's essential to understand your financial situation, including your earnings, investments, and what you owe. Financial advisors and online resources can help guide those who may feel overwhelmed or confused by money management. Conclusion. The habits of self-made millionaires, as described by Faron Daugs, revolve around discipline, avoiding unnecessary debt, investing wisely, and maximizing opportunities to save and grow wealth. By incorporating these habits into your own financial life, you can take steps toward building a secure financial future. The key is consistency. Small, disciplined actions over time can lead to significant financial growth.